Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today we've got a special RidgeLife Reviews as I've got Rode's Wireless Go microphone system. Can you imagine with the camera's front mic what this would sound like? You wouldn't be able to hear me at all, 000. I am super excited to review this product. I got it as a gift for my birthday, 50th birthday. Yes, I'm that old, it's hard to believe. But we are going to use this here on the Ridge, on our RidgeLife, on our YouTube channel, and it's going to be amazing benefit. You know, you see I've got a lavalier mic here, and I am connected to my camera via wire and tether. And you know, you've only got so many feet. It's hard to move around, and with a wireless system, I can move, I can be free, I can do all kinds of things, and not have to worry about cables getting pulled or even seeing the cables in the video. So we have the Wireless Go system by Rode. It's the remote transmitter and receiver, and we've also purchased, I got it as a gift, the Lavalier Go. It works perfectly with the Wireless Go system. We'll start off by unboxing the Lavalier Go, and should be pretty self-explanatory here. All right, nice little bag it all comes in. In our Lavalier Go bag, we've got a lavalier clip. We've got our lavalier itself. Wow, that thing is small. So here is our lavalier, and you can see it has the pop cover on it. This is to keep the pop, pop, pop from happening. You can see the one I have here, look how much the difference in size is. This thing is really compact. The Lavalier Go is an omnidirectional microphone, meaning it can gather the sound from multi-directions, not just directional, you know, where the mic is pointed. So it's good to pick up all the sound that you need around you. It is very, very small, micro even, and it has crisp, clear, professional audio. Now let's unbox the Wireless Go system. Before we do that, let's read what's on the back. It's a Series 3 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. It's an all-in-one microphone or a lav belt pack. It's up to 7 hours battery life from the full charge. That's pretty crazy, 7 hours. Pretty awesome. What we should see on the inside, again, is our transmitter and receiver, 2 windsocks, 2 USB-C cables, the SC cable for connecting it to your camera, and a pouch. Let's see if that holds true. There we go. Let's see, pretty cool packaging here. It says to pull here, so let's pull that open. All right, very, very nice. So we have, again, here's our windsock, another windsock, pouch with the transmitter receiver in it. We have the cable that connects the camera to the wireless system, and then we have 2 USB-C cables. We'll open the pouch with the transmitter receiver. Oh, it's like Christmas morning. Christmas morning. All right. Make sure I get everything out of here. We can see here we've got 2. Very compact, very small. So we have our 2 units. This is one we attach to the camera, and this is one we put on our person for our microphone. Now it does have a built-in microphone here, and you can also plug in your lavalier mic right here. On the top of the unit, you can see a little light that tells you you're connected to your transmitter, and also have a battery indicator to let you know when your battery's going low. Again, they said 7 hours from a full charge. Now on the bottom of the unit, you got a power on, power off button. On the unit that attaches to your camera, so we have a USB-C connector. We have a power connector if you want to put external power to it. We have an on-off button. And then on the bottom, you've got your connectivity button, and you also have a DB button. The unit that attaches to the camera also has a digital display. I am surprised that neither of them came with instruction manuals, so I'm going to have to go online and learn as much as I can about the Wireless Go system, and I'll go ahead and get it charged, and then we'll get out in the field and show you this thing in use. We are out by the pond, and we have got our GoPro Hero 8 connected to our media mod, selected to front microphone. We are about, say, 8 feet from the camera right now. So this is without a lavalier, this is without any kind of wireless microphone system. I'm not going to do any audio adjustment to this video. So you're going to hear right now what it sounds like with the GoPro Hero 8 with the front microphone on the media mod without any adjustment. Now we're going to switch over to the lavalier mic connected to a cable. So that'll be the next thing you hear. Now we're connected to a lavalier microphone. This is my original one I bought a while back, and you see it's got a 6-foot cable and I've got a 12-foot extension cable connected to it. So really, this is about as far as I can get right here, and which is still pretty cool. I can get this far away, but we're back to about 8 feet, and this is where you heard me a while ago with the Medium Odds front microphone at 8 feet. So now this is 8 feet with the regular lavalier. Now we have the Rode Wireless Go attached to us. We are wireless. There's no wires here attached whatsoever. I've got the clip to my collar here. Now you can put it on your belt, you can put it on your jacket, you can really put it on anything. It does not have the dead cat on it. There's no pop cover for filtering out any pops or wind noise. So what you hear, and it's a pretty windy day, so this would be a good test for it. Again, I'm about 8 feet away, and there's no adjustments to the audio at all. Matter of fact, you can hear a plane flying over. There's lots of wind, but we'll see how the quality is. And again, I'm about 8 feet away, the same I was. I'm gonna turn around, and I'm gonna move my shoulders and see if you hear any differences in the other microphone. And then the cool thing is I can start to back up, and that's really a good test for this microphone. So with my regular lavalier and that 12-foot cable with the 6-foot standard cable, I could only get about right here. And that was about it. This is about as far as I could get. Now we're gonna go about 70 meters or 200 or so feet that way here in a minute. We'll see how good the test is. I'll talk as I go out, and we'll see when the sound quality starts to degrade or you start to lose me. Now I'm gonna attach the windsock or dead cat to the microphone and tell me if you hear any difference. All right, now we've got the dead cat on, or windsock, and there's actually a lot of wind. You can see the trees moving. I don't know if you're hearing anything, but I can feel the wind hitting me right now. We're next to the barn, so maybe blocked a little bit. I'm gonna start walking away, okay? And as I get farther and farther away, the wind's gonna hit me more and more, and you'll be able to hear if this makes a difference, okay? So I'm gonna start walking away. I'm gonna back up and just kind of keep turning and see if you hear anything. Again, I'm about 10 yards away right now, and I'll just keep, I feel the wind. Oh, lots of wind right now, guys. Lots of wind, because the wind is hitting the microphone right now. And I turned my back this way. It should have changed. Okay, we're about 15 yards away. Again, I'm turning around. Lots of winds. You can see the leaves starting to blow around. Guys, I'm over 20 yards away right now for sure. Okay, so we're moving, going down the hill. Of course, with a regular lavalier mic, you couldn't hear this at all. Can you imagine with the camera's front mic what this would sound like? You wouldn't be able to hear me at all, 0, 0, 0. Okay, guys, we're 30 yards away, and still hear a lot. I mean, I guarantee you're still hearing me pretty well. So let's move back. Oh, lots of wind. Wind hitting me in the face right now. Come back to about 40 yards away. Look at there, guys, 40 yards, and you still hear me. Let's get out to 50. Go on out to the limit. We'll go all the way to the forest line and see if you hear me. Ooh, big gust of wind just hit me. Big gust. And the trees are all blowing around me, so this dead cat should be doing a good job. I'm gonna take the dead cat off on the way back up and see if you hear any difference with the wind noise, okay, guys? So we're about 60 yards away. Look at that, guys, 50, 60 yards. Oh, big gust of wind. Right here, the wind is blowing at me. It is super, super, you can see blowing my hair all around. I'm moving my shoulders, my neck's touching the dead cat right now too, so you should hear some scruffling noises. We'll see how that works. Okay, full wind right in my face right now, getting close to 70 yards away. Guys, this is 70, almost 80 yards away. It said 200 or 70 meters was the limit. You know, that's 210, 220 feet, you know, that whole metric to standard thing. Well, we're out at the tree line here. I don't know if you can hear me or not. We'll see what this sounds like on the playback. Of course, I'm protected from the wind mostly right now. And, but I'm way over here, guys, way over here. Okay, I'm gonna take the dead cat off. Okay, dead cat is off. Now you just have the regular microphone. And we're gonna walk back up, and you can see if the wind, you start hearing the wind hit me. When I get past these trees here is where this wind comes out. Trees blowing, the wind. Right here is where the wind's gonna hit me. Again, about 50 yards away. I need some real good wind so you can test this. Oh, here we go. All right, wind should be blowing. I'm gonna make sure different angles of wind hit the camera, hit the microphone. See the trees blowing. And the well, there's a big wind gust right there, a big wind gust. All right, we're coming back. Isn't that a beautiful pond? Of course, it's fall and the leaves are starting to fall. Just beautiful time of year out here in West Tennessee. All right, we're about 40 yards away. Hopefully you heard me the entire distance back there. We've got a full battery charge on both these. Again, 7 hours of battery on this unit. Of course, the wind is blowing right now. I'm gonna move my shoulders around. My neck just hit the microphone, so you should have heard a little bit of shuffle right there. Of course, you can put this on your belt loop and see how it sounds. And I'm gonna put it in my hand here in a second. We'll do this test again in my hand and see how it sounds. Oh, lots of wind as I come up here. Lots of wind. You should be hearing some pops and stuff. So, all right, guys, that was the 70-yard test of our Rode Wireless Go. I'm gonna take it off my collar now. All right, so taking off the collar. There's the microphone on this end. I'm gonna put the dead cat back on. Probably gonna hear some shuffling. Just pop it on there. Just pop it on there. Okay, now the dead cat is on. I've got it in my hand. Lots of wind. Here we go. I'm gonna put it down here in my pocket. Okay, so right here in my pocket. All right, Rode Wireless Go is on my pocket. Now again, it's an omnidirectional microphone. We're not using the lavalier right now, and I'm gonna walk out. I'm just gonna walk around. Again, nothing's hitting it. My shirt is off the side of it. It's wobbling around. I'm just gonna walk around. Of course, can you imagine what this would sound like just with the GoPro's camera microphone? So here we go, coming around over here. See if we can get a big gust of wind. Here are our neighbors on our ATVs. You can hear that. Wind's blowing. I don't hear the planes flying over anymore. Oh, big gust of wind right here. All right, guys, big gust of wind just hit me. I'm gonna come back up. You know, we're 30 yards. Come back up to the microphone. See how the audio test of our Rode Wireless Go system is. The next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the Lavalier Go on, okay? This was just with the belt packs microphone. The Lavalier Go even has a better microphone audio system. Again, when playing this back, you can see this was one continuous take as I was switching. I'm not adjusting the audio. Normally when I do my video editing, if I'm in one situation and I have that video take, I'll adjust the audio level to equalize with the next clip. We're not doing that here. I walked out, we switched locations, everything, so this was all one audio level. I could adjust it if I needed to. We are back with the Lavalier Go attached to our belt pack, our Wireless Go system from Rode. Now, does have the pop cover on it, does not have a dead cat or windsock on it. So any wind gust, you know, you may be able to hear those a little bit. I've got the belt pack attached to my pocket here, and you could cover this up, you wouldn't be able to see anything. Again, we are 100% wireless. Let's run the test again as I walk out. Wind noise, moving my arms and shoulders, and we'll see what this sounds like with the Lavalier Go. Again, this is should be a much better audio quality from our Lavalier Go. Again, we're 10 yards out now. We're moving around. Ooh, wind blowing, birds chirping, highway noise way off in the distance, four-wheelers, airplanes. I don't know how much that's being filtered out. We'll see. I love the ability to have an omnidirectional mic so I can do an interview with someone. My mouth is here and they're there, and it still sounds fairly a level audio. That's really, really nice in dealing with this type of microphone. So now we're about 20 yards out. Let's go down the hill towards the pond. Oh, birds just chirping there. Wind blowing in my face. Come down to the pond. You know, we're 30 yards away now. Wind's blowing at us. Come down to the pond here. Clap my, I don't know how loud that is on you. I hope it's not hurting your ears there. Ooh, I got deer tracks right here. I like seeing the deer tracks coming right up from the pond. That is nice. So guys, we are, again, about 30 yards out. Let's, got some wind in my face. I don't know if you can hear that. So move my arms. Here we go. About 50 yards out. We'll go all the way out to the tree line. Test our wireless capabilities here. Again, about 60 yards out. Woo, can you hear me? Hey, hey, all right. All the way out to about 70 yards. We are at the line. Hey guys, Rode Wireless Go microphone. This is one of the best birthday presents I've had in a very long time. Again, the 70 meters is really effective for line of sight. If I get out in the trees or around buildings and all that, you're gonna lose the capability. The audio is optimized for closer distances, so I believe the filtering and the sound quality is going to go down as I get farther away, as I lose that signal strength. So I'm coming over here to the tree line, crunching all these leaves. I don't even know if I'm in the camera field of view right now. So come back into the camera field of view. Who knows how good I was. I didn't see if my GoPro was widened out that far, but we're coming back now and we'll see how good this audio is walking up through the field here. We had a food plot in this field, you know, a year or so ago. Now our food plot is in the big field. I got a video of that coming up. You probably have already seen it. If not, go check it out. Love deer hunting here on the ridge. So gonna work on some bees today. The bees are right over there. We're gonna take care of some rabbits today too, build them some nesting boxes. You're gonna like that. So, whoo, lots of wind. So we'll see how that wind noise sounds. Well guys, this is Rode's Wireless Go system. Right now we're using the Lavalier Go connected to our Wireless Go, and I am super excited. The transmitter and receiver, we've got it mounted to our media mod on our GoPro Hero 8, and it is working out perfectly. So make sure you check out my media mod review, my GoPro Hero 8 review, and we'd love doing reviews here on RidgeLife. I call them Ridge Reviews. So if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments, shoot me an email, maybe a Facebook message. I'll answer them all in due time. Well everyone, there was the Rode Wireless Go system with the Lavalier Go microphone. I am thoroughly impressed with these units. I can't wait to use them on all my videos because it's just going to be so convenient to be able to move around the camera, get under things without having to have that lavalier cable connected or not using a lavalier and having the sound quality be terrible. So I am super excited to try this, and I hope you all too. I think it's a really good product. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up on it and let me know you liked it. Leave a comment if you have any questions or just want to tell us something. I sure appreciate it. Subscribe to RidgeLife if you haven't already. It really would mean a lot to me. So until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.